What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today we're going to talk about gutters on marquee tents, attaching tents.
We're going to learn a little bit about what I do to join marquee tents to make bigger sizes. So, as you can see, right up here in the middle, where you're supposed to tighten it down, we're just going to leave that loose, and we're going to tighten the sides here so that we can connect a gutter in the middle of these tents here.
Why? Because tents or high peak frame tents are the perfect introductory tent if you're starting a tent business. Because you can start with a small size, but then you can join them together to make the bigger sizes. That way you have big and small sizes all in one. I currently own 4 20 by 30 tents, which gives me 4 separate 20 by 30 bookings, or 2 separate 30 by 40 bookings, or 1 30 by 80 booking, or 2 20 by 60 bookings. I've got a lot of different variations in between my 4 20 by 30 tents. It's a win. Okay, so once the tent gets up on all fours, then we just shim it over to be in line with the first one. So if you put wire like this around the insides of the tent, then the gutter can just clip to the top. However, we've got another tent installed tomorrow, so we need that sidewall wire for that tent. So we're using the Velcro straps, and we're just strapping them up, and then it goes in between the two poles there, and straps, and then on the end there, straps around, right? And then you can see that there's Velcro here, but then there's a gutter point inside that will let the water run out, like a drain spout. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please press that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, get a gutter and then subscribe, and we can talk about gutters together. Don't live in the gutter. Just get a gutter and put those gutters in those tents. Be like me. I rented out 20 by 30 marquee tents 24 times this summer. And it's going to be way more next summer, thanks to gutters. You stay classy.